How to update your inventory in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so and exactly what you need to do in order to keep your inventory up to date. So if something goes out of stock and you just want to restock it, you can do so very simply. So, by default, if you have, a product in stock, it's going to look a little something like this. Ignore the badge. But you can actually go ahead and select your quantity. It does not really say anything here, and you can just go ahead and buy it now, and you're good to go. But if you actually wanted to update your inventory, what you need to do is just go to your store here and just go to products, and here obviously you should have some products to update the inventory for. And then from here we can just go ahead and click on this section here, right underneath products. You should find collections and then inventory. This is exactly what we need to click on. So just go and click on this. So once you open up your inventory, you should actually find all the products that you have here. So if you want to search for them, you can feel free to do so right from there to be able to, have specifics. But to update them, you can just go to the available or on hand. It does not really make a difference. And just go ahead and update it. So for example, let's just say product purple is now out of stock. So just go ahead and do 0 here and just click on save. And now it's actually going to appear as out of stock. So let's just go and see it one more time. From here, online store, and we can just click on preview actually. So let's just go to purple, and we can actually see it's sold out because we did update the inventory and made sure that it says it's 0. So we don't really have anything else to show for it. Now, again, if you want to update so that we are restocking, it's exactly the same steps. You just want to exit out of here. You just want to go to your products section, inventory, and then you can just go ahead and set up the available or on hand to any number of products that you have now. So let's say I got my hands on 20 more of this specific product. Just type in 20, click on save, and you're pretty much good to go. So let's just go and check one more time. And the sold out icon went away, and we did actually see this, but it pretty much just did not reload properly. So this is pretty much all you need to do in order to update your inventory. The only thing left for me to say even is that when you actually track the inventory so that when people buy it or buy a specific number of a specific product, it's just going to track it for you, obviously, which is going to make things a lot easier for you. Which is just going to be here. If you click on any product within the edit mode, you can just go ahead and see in inventory, track quantity. This is the command that we want. So this way we only have 20, but if somebody buys 5, then it's just going to be automatically set to 15 left instead of, you having to actually do the calculations every single time and do so. The only thing left for you to do is just, once actually you have restock, you just go to inventory and add that amount back in here. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.